Alice's Pizza. Once upon a time in a quaint little town, there was a girl named Alice who had a passion for cooking. Her love for cooking, especially making pizzas, was ignited by her mother, who was an excellent cook. Her mother had taught her the art of pizza making, sharing secrets and techniques that had been passed down through generations. One sunny morning, Alice decided it was time to put these lessons to use and create the most delicious pizza the town had ever tasted. She put on her apron, tied her hair back, and recalled her mother's words. Remember, Alice, the secret to a great pizza is in the dough. It needs to be just right, not too thick, not too thin. Alice smiled, remembering the times she spent cooking with her mom. She began preparing the dough, mixing flour, yeast, water, and a pinch of salt. As she worked the dough with her skilled hands, her mother's voice echoed in her mind. Be patient, let the dough rise. It's the soul of the pizza. Next, Alice prepared the toppings. She chose fresh ingredients, just as her mother taught her. Fresh ingredients make all the difference, her mom used to say. Alice picked tomatoes from her garden, basil leaves, mozzarella cheese, and a selection of her favorite vegetables. She also added a special ingredient, a secret blend of herbs and spices, to give the pizza an extra kick. While arranging the toppings on the rolled out dough, Alice remembered another important tip from her mom. Don't overload the pizza with toppings. It's all about balance and letting each ingredient shine. With a big smile, Alice slid the pizza into the oven, recalling her mother's advice on safety. Always be mindful of the hot oven, dear. Safety in the kitchen is as important as the taste. The aroma of baking dough and melting cheese filled the air. Alice watched eagerly as the crust turned golden brown and the cheese bubbled perfectly. She thought about her mom's words. Cooking is not just about following a recipe, it's about putting your heart into it. Finally, the pizza was ready. Alice took it out of the oven, placed it on a wooden board, and sliced it into even pieces. She served it to her family, who were amazed by the taste. Her mother, tasting the pizza, smiled and said, You've done it, Alice. You've put love into this pizza, and it shows. Alice's pizza was a masterpiece of love, creativity, and lessons learned from her mother. It was not just food, it was a testament to the bond between mother and daughter, and the magic that happens in the kitchen when love is the main ingredient. From that day on, Alice was known as the best pizza maker in town, with a secret ingredient that everyone talked about: the love and wisdom passed down from her mother.